Christmas sucks. Every year I hear people saying that Christmas sucks. But why on earth would a holiday like Christmas, which brings people together to share gifts, share food, share time together, why would that be a bad thing? Well, let's find out.
Too many trees get cut down. Christmas is bad for the environment.
False. While it's true that 26 million trees get chopped down every year, 74 million are planted. That's because more and more tree planters are joining the fight to a greener and healthier planet. In fact, the number of trees in this world is increasing each year. And if you're like me, you have a synthetic tree that looks like this one, but is cleaner and less of a hassle. But that's not the only reason why people say that Christmas sucks.
You know, today, Christmas is about take. Nobody really cares that much about giving today, unfortunately.
False. 34% of all charitable donations happen during the holiday season. For example, $140 billion was donated to nonprofit organizations in 2019. That means for every $3 spent on gifts, $1 is donated to charity. Christmas is all about giving, but here's the next one.
Christmas is just a scheme. It's all about companies making more and more money.
While December is by far the busiest season for retailers, it's also the most popular in family gatherings as well. More families and friends come together in December than in all other months combined, without counting July and November. Christmas is all about family and friends. And while there's still no excuse for ugly Christmas sweaters and terrible Christmas movies,
Gotcha!
Christmas is awesome. Amazing food, family reunions, Christmas music, decorated houses, gingerbread houses, giving gifts, receiving gifts, and hot chocolate make Christmas the best holiday of the year. And if you agree, I say Merry Christmas to you.